Guys, and welcome back to another Roblox tutorial. Today we're gonna present you a video that helps you upload audio to Roblox after the 2023 update using the easiest and quick method. You must follow all the steps mentioned in the video to accomplish the task. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the Roblox website. Wait for the website to load, then look for the Create button. It should be located next to the avatar shop. Click on Create, and this will take you to the Roblox Studio page. Now select Manage My Expression. After that, click on the Development Items tab and navigate to Audio next to the plugins. Now scroll down and select the Upload Asset button. Click on the Upload button to select an audio file from your computer. Navigate to the folder where the audio file is saved and select it. The audio file should be in either MP3 or OGG format. Check the size of the audio file to ensure it's less than 20 megabytes, which is the maximum file size allowed on Roblox. Make sure to add a suitable name and a description for the file, because this can help other users understand what the audio file is for. Once you have filled in the required fields, click on Upload button to upload the audio file on Roblox. Look for Audio tab on the left-hand side of the page and click on it to open the audio panel. You will find a list of all the audio files you have uploaded to your Roblox account. Now you can configure the audio settings if you want. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if the video helped you.